From Iowa State University, IMSC, Spring 2019 Senior Capstone Team 12, matching up versus an unnamed company in the automotive industry with multiple product lines and a problem within their documentation process. We'll send it over for the introductions.
Everybody get up, it's time to slam now. We got the real jam going down. Welcome to the Space Jam. Here's your chance, do your dance at the Space Jam. Alright.
Starting us off, Senior Cody Halgo. Coming in second, Senior Diego Trejo. And third, Senior Parker Claypool. And last but not least, Senior Christopher Hernandez. Let's get this project started. The problems the team faced in this project were as follows: 6-day work weeks, $36,000 spent in scrap parts for misorders, and non-value added times for multiple product lines as follows: Type 1, 2.3 hours, Type 2, 0.35 hours, and Type 3, 6.88 hours. And their objective to win against: to reduce the processing time of the documentation process by 10% and reduce the purchasing costs by $30,000. Before we reveal the final score of this project, we were able to get a sit-down with Rachel Nichols and some of the team members of Team 12.
So Cody, how did your team start off this project?
To go through our CSA, we need to begin by collecting quantifiable data that we can use later on. We did this through a myriad of different solutions. We collected a work sampling study, value stream maps, spaghetti diagrams, and an Ishikawa diagram with Pareto analysis.
Christopher, how did you strategize your solution?
Our solution to achieve our objectives was to go fully electronic for their documentation process to eliminate the non-value added time in the process, as well as the purchasing costs due to miscommunication. Process maps were created for clarity as to what the ideal process flow should be for each product type and the top variations within those types. Based on these process maps, mock interfaces were created to show exactly what was needed to be implemented in the fully electronic process program. SharePoint with Microsoft Flow was found to be the top program for this implementation.
Diego, what are the final impacts of the solution?
With our final solution, the total cost savings comes to $49,000 per year from the elimination of the purchasing costs due to miscommunication and misorders, and the elimination of the non-value added time that occur within the current state documentation process. The cost of implementing this design comes out to roughly $19,500 plus $1,200 for the software service. Based on a 12% discount rate per manufacturing standards, the 5-year net present value for this project is $153,000.
And the final score the team was able to complete was a reduction of the documentation processing time by 56% and the reduction of purchasing costs due to misorders by $30,000.